Hey everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you with a heat line installation job here in Rochester, Minnesota. This home has a new addition. The old addition gets severe ice dams. So we're talking this little section right in front of me here, in front of my ladder. And then we're talking this upper section here, and then the next lower section. So all three of those sections today are going to get heat line installed on them. That will prevent any water from coming in this home in the future. We've also got something very interesting going on here. We've got a little vent underneath the edges of the shingles here, and I believe it's to replace the soffit vent and allow some air movement underneath the roof surface to prevent ice dams. I don't know if that's helping or contributing to the ice dam formation. I do know, however, that gutter helmets themselves tend to kind of contribute to ice dam formation, but we're not so concerned about what's going on the gutters. We're trying to basically prevent any ice from forming on the roof and allowing water to sit on the roof. So we're going to install our heat lines here on this roof today. If you have a roof anywhere in Rochester, Minnesota that you'd like heat lines installed on, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. I've got over 20 years of experience on roofs, removing snow and ice. Also, as a roofer, we do a lot of ice dam removal with steam in the wintertime, and I do a lot of heat line installations in the summertime to help customers get ready for winter and not have the same headaches they had the prior year. This roof is very steep. This job cannot be done from the roof. Like I said, I was a roofer most of my life, and if I could do it from the roof, I would definitely do it. Unfortunately, this job here today has to all be done from a ladder. And so that's what we're going to do today. Right now we've got the heat line fished up through the downspout here, and that is where we are going to start. So we're going to start over here on the left. We're going to come out of the gutter there, up over the gutter helmet, and we're going to start zigzagging up on the roof here. And we're going to finish our installation over there, down there on the right. And so we've given the homeowner the plug-in on the ground down there. If you can see that down there. That's where the homeowner is going to plug in the heat line and keep the roof opened up all winter long. So again, if you have a property anywhere in Rochester, Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. We'll also take some pictures during this, and we'll take some pictures after we're done as well. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, thanks for staying tuned. We're about at the middle of this job here. Just wanted to take a moment and show you how we're running the heat lines there. I prefer to run the heat lines in an uppercase N pattern. When you've been a roofer as long as I have, you learn to think like a drop of water. And uppercase N pattern allows one of the runs of the heat line, one of the legs of the heat line, to run straight down the roof. If you run your heat lines in an uppercase W pattern, you're not thinking like a drop of water and cutting a channel through that ice straight up and down. You're cutting a channel sideways through the ice. So I like to run my heat lines different than most everybody else. Again, because of my long roofing career. And again, if you need a heat line installed anywhere in Rochester, Minnesota, please give me a call, 612-919-4185, and please stay tuned to the end of this video for the complete overview of this job. Thank you so much. All right, thank you everyone for staying tuned to the end of this video. So here's the finale of the heat line installation in Rochester, Minnesota here. So we've worked our way along this last section of gutter, and the heat line worked out absolutely perfect within inches of our destination. If we would have had just 4 more inches there, it would have been perfect, but this is as perfect as a heat line installation gets right here. So I'll just kind of pan over the whole thing. I'll try to get a photograph from the ground as well. But again, if you need heat lines installed anywhere in Rochester, Minnesota, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185.